So today I'm going to be doing rating fidget toys. It's a video never done before. What's the top two? I have a bunch of them right here. I'm going to like a 10 because it's super fun. It's super fun to play with, and you can do this. And I like a wacky track. Okay. Then I have this one. It's a 3D pop. Pretty sure you saw this on a shopping haul video. And hold on down. You guys can see them. One more. Two more actually now. Okay. A 9 out of 10. Another prop too, which you know these are all going to be 10 out of 10. Okay, squishy. I don't know. It's like probably a 7 out of 10. A 7 out of 10 again because it's another squishy. Okay. My favorite. What's the first one I have? Okay, then we have. Oh, a strawberry. Okay. Needles are always a 10 out of 10 for me. Okay. A wacky track. Probably a 9 out and 8 out of 10. Okay, I like heart-shaped puppet from dollar store, which I don't think she knows. Okay, probably a 7 out of 10. Okay. That's probably a 5 out of 10, just because it's not the best. Okay, this one. This one, I don't know, I'll put up the way to I can. I like this, but it's kind of broken. Probably a 6 out of 10, just because it's not something. It does light up though. Okay. Then I have this giant puppet. Oh, it's actually on the good side. Probably a 6, no, probably a 9 out of 10, guys. Oh my gosh, and I was it's like a unicorn cake I got at the dollar store. I thought it was really cute. Probably an 8 out of 10. Okay, then we have this circle puppet. You know, it's from Target. Oh, these are from dollar store. Oh my gosh, this is all from dollar store. This is also from Walmart. This is from Five Below. These are all from Target for $3, as I always told you on my haul video. If you've seen that, go check it out here. Okay. This I got from dollar store. And this one I got from Target. I wear it at 9 out of 10. It's so good. Okay, then we have this mini narwhal. I got from Walmart. It's kind of broken as you can see, so probably a 9 out, no, 5 out of 10. Okay, this is like deflated, so probably like a 1 out of 10. There's no kind of deflated. Okay, then we have. Also, I got this from the mall, and I got this from the store. Then we have this needle. It's also from Walmart. I think this one's like a little more satisfying, but probably a 10 out of 10. This I got from dollar store. It's a mini butterfly. Because you know I like butterflies. So if I rate this a 9 out of 10. Okay, then I have this Slippy Octopus. Probably a 6 out of 10. Then I have this Among Us one, which I got from the mall. And I got this bear that I got from Books A Million. Okay, then I got this pop pencil pouch, which I got from the mall. And I got this little shark that I got from the dollar store. It's not the best. 4 out of 10. And the bear probably 7 out of 10. And I got this probably a 9 out of 10. Probably 4 out of 10. Okay, another question from the dollar store. Probably a 4 out of 10. Then more wacky tracks. Okay, probably I got these from Five Below. Probably 7 out of 10. Okay, then I got one of these like crunchy balls. Listen to the ASMR, guys. Probably I got this from Five Below. Probably a 9 out of 10. Then I got these Twiddle pets that I got from Francesca. It's a store in the mall. And then probably a 7 out of 10. Okay, then I got this really cute ice cream from the mall. Okay, then I got this really cute chick. I got this from Marshall's. I just think it's super cute. Probably, like it smells like marshmallows, I think. She kind of does. And then probably an 8 out of 10. Okay, then I have, a superhero one, which is going to get such a good rating. The only thing that I don't like is that, on, the letters. That was probably a 7 out of 10. I don't have my Captain America one with me, which is, I got this little mini blue pineapple from Dollar Tree. Probably, excuse me, probably a 4 out of 10. And I got this jumbo mochi from Dollar Store, probably a 4 out of 10. And mochis are not my favorite, guys. Oh, then we have a fidget spinner. Probably a 7 out of 10. Okay, more mochis. An elephant, a hedgehog, another hedgehog. Probably a 7 out of 10. Okay, then we have a few more things. So then we have an ice cream snapper. And I got this from Books A Million. And I got this simple dimple from Dollar Tree. And I got these bike chains from Walmart. Probably a 4 out of 10. Okay. Monkey noodles. So fun. Probably a 6 out of 10. Just to get a little. Oh, I found more fidgets. This Pop-It bracelet. I got from Dollar Tree. Probably a 7 out of 10. Okay, then I have another squishy, but this one's really cute. It's a little cat. Okay, probably a 6 out of 10. Let's see if I have any more here. Yes, I do. I have a twiddle. Pretty sure this is a twiddle. I have more fidgets. I have a lot of fidgets, actually. For some reason, I was mostly in this bin. Take that down. Hold on, I'm trying to grab them. Okay, found some fidgets. You have to get them all out, guys. I don't even really know what's in this pile. Just grabbed everything that was a fidget. Okay. The first we have this really deflated cat. Probably have 4 out of 10. Okay, then we have a mermaid tail, which I got from Dollar Store. I got this one from Walmart. I got this from Dollar Tree, probably 6 out of 10. Okay, oh, a dough ball. Kind of want to cut it open. No, maybe it's like really different. Or what made noise? Okay, so I got this dough ball from Dollar Store, probably. Ow, that was my finger. Okay, so I have 4 up. So I'm gonna 4 at them. Okay, then we have some twiddles. Probably. And then we got some bunch of monkey noodles. Probably a 7 out of 10. So we got another simple dimple. And we got this little mini Pop-It. I also got this simple dimple from Target. I got this Pop-It. I got this Pop-It from Walmart. I got this one from Walmart. Did I get from Walmart? Yeah, I did. And I got another mochi which I got from Dollar Tree. Let's see if we can find more fidgets. After I put them all away, of course. So, we gotta put my fidgets away, I cannot. Oh, I just found this green Pop-It. I don't know where I got this. Nope, I got from Walmart, sorry. Okay, so I got this one from Walmart, and it's like Well, this will probably an 8 or 10. I just don't like plain Paw Patrol. I don't have like a lot of them. Like the ice cream one, I would definitely rate like a 9 out of 10. Because I love ice cream, so. I do love Neato, so. I don't need to get such a good rating. For me, at least. What the heck happened to this monkey noodle? It looks like a broken monkey noodle. That's just weird. I didn't know monkey noodles could really break. Oh, another mochi, a little fish. Probably an 8 out of 10. 7 out of 10. Okay, let's not have a Neato banana. Find my Neato banana. Okay, let's find it. Yep, we do. We have a pineapple snapper. I'll be a 4 out of 10. Because those aren't like so satisfying. You know what I mean, guys? So here's my Neato banana. Probably a 7 out of 10. My bedroom. Okay, guys. Ew, let's just go. Okay, guys, that's gonna be all for this fidget video. Make sure to subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, give it a big like, and see you next video, guys. Peace out.